Let's take a look at an example of dividing terms. We're not going to jump into the polynomials quite yet, but we're going to look at specifically how to do each individual term, which would then lead you into the ability to divide a full polynomial. So the first one we're going to look at here, I have an example, 14g to the power 4 divided by 2g to the power of 2. Now, we're going to follow a couple of kind of general principles as we do this. So here's the example that we have. I just put a little bit lower down on there as well. Step number one that we're going to do is let's divide the coefficients top divided by bottom. So inside of a term, you're going to have a coefficient that goes in front of the variable. Now, that coefficient may be 1, okay, which means that it would not be shown, but we are often going to have a numerical value as a coefficient. In this case, we have 14 on top and we have 2 on the bottom. So when we divide that, 14 divided by 2, this is 7. This is going to be our new coefficient in our resulting answer of this division statement. Second thing that we're going to do is we're going to divide the variables. Now, when we're dividing the variables, we're going to take a look at common variables on top and bottom. The top number is being divided by the bottom one, or the top variable divided by the bottom variable. And when we do this, all we need to do is subtract the exponents on the variable. So you'll notice in this case here, we have 4 g's on top, or g to the power of 4, and we have 2 on the bottom. That means we're going to take away 2 from the top. And it's going to look like this here. It's going to be g squared. Now, this is not dividing 4 divided by 2. It's subtracting. It's maybe a bad example to use. But it's 4 minus 2, which gives us 2. So our result is going to be g squared. Now, the final step that we do once we've done both these pieces is we got to put it back together into a singular term. And that singular term is going to look like this, 7g squared. So we've divided the coefficient and we divided the variable or variables, and we would get our quotient, or the remainder of, or the answer to our division statement. So gladly use this, and know that you can use it each individual time that you're doing a division statement.